Hi, I'm Jennifer and welcome to Tasty Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry Greek yogurt mousse just in time for Valentine's Day. Here's the ingredients. 1 cup fresh or defrosted frozen raspberries, 2/3 cup thick Greek yogurt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, a half a packet of powdered gelatin. Let's get started. So the first step of this recipe is we're going to start our gelatin off. So this is, it's called Knox. It's just kind of a general unflavored gelatin brand. It comes in 7-ounce packets. The recipe asks for 6 ounces. This one has 7. It won't make that much of a difference. We're going to open the bag. You don't want to open it until right before you use it, otherwise the gelatin can go bad. So you open that up, pour it in the bowl. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. So I just took some water and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then we are going to just mix that up until it's all kind of dissolved. You have a nice smooth consistency. It'll end up looking kind of like honey and water. Okay. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out about a cup of raspberries. We are probably going to use more than a cup, and if you want more raspberries in your mousse, no one can ever tell you not to use less raspberries.
The more the better.
The more the better. Raspberries are high in antioxidants and polyphenols. Antioxidants, basically, they help to combat free radicals, which cause cell damage in your body. And in the long run, it'll help all of your organs and your tissues in your body age slower. All right? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to use an immersion blender, and I'm just going to mix these up a little bit, get them down. Okay, so we're just going to take the immersion blender, slowly pump on top of the raspberries. You can do this in a regular blender as well, or a food processor. They'll all work just the same. Okay? So I've kind of made a raspberry puree. So now we are going to add our yogurt. Okay? We're going to add 2/3 of a cup of yogurt. And now I'm going to combine the yogurt with the raspberry until it's just kind of an even texture. Isn't it? It's perfect for Valentine's Day. And then I'm going to put a little bit of honey in just for sweetness. And you can put as much or as little in as you like. I actually bought honey flavored yogurt, so I probably won't use too much, but honey is great for you. It's good if you have allergies. It can help combat seasonal allergies.
If you have local.
Yeah, local honey. So if you go to the farmer's market, they'll have local honey from bees around here, and it helps to combat your allergies. So again, I'm just going to slowly mix this in. And last but not least, I'm going to add in my gelatin. 2 to 3 minutes until it starts frothing up a bit. And just use a spatula to kind of scrape the sides as you go. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. It's definitely gotten a bit frothy. Got some air in there. And now we are going to put it in dishes overnight or for 2 hours, your choice. It needs to sit for at least 2 hours, but the easiest is just put it in overnight and then it's ready to go in the morning. Once these are set, you can also use toppings such as chocolate chips or additional raspberries or other fruit, some whipped cream, sprinkles. Can really make it festive. So we're going to put these in the refrigerator for 2 hours and then we'll show you how it turns out. So while our mousse is setting in the refrigerator, Gracia and Hazel are going to come in and give you a few wellness tips. They're from the wellness team at West Campus SDFC.
Okay, my name is Hazel.
And my name is Gracia.
And we'll be talking about letting go of food guilt and how eating what you want is the healthiest move you can make.
So food guilt is that sinking pit in your stomach after eating a cheeseburger or a slice of pizza or even a donut. And it is feeling shameful about giving into your cravings. It might seem that restricting yourself from eating the things that you like is the only way to stay on track to your health and fitness goals. But the truth is quite the opposite, and it might actually sabotage you from attaining those goals, and most importantly, it can also lower your self-esteem. One thing that it is important to keep in mind is that everyone's bodies are different. So our weight loss and our health is also going to look different. It is also important to consider that being healthy does not only involve the food that we eat. It also consists of our lifestyle, our attitudes, and how much exercise we do on a daily basis. Not eating the correct amount of food does not allow us to maintain a balance between these things because food is a fuel to our bodies. And without food, we won't have the energy to do all the things that we have to do in our normal days.
With that being said, let's consider that there are no bad or good foods. And we know that excess of everything is bad. So instead of dividing food into good and bad categories, let's consider that all foods can fit into our dietary habits, and the best way to keep a healthy diet is by incorporating everything in moderation. This helps ward off the deprivation that comes with food guilt and makes it possible to have food that pleases your taste buds while staying healthy. The most important tip we can give you is to pay attention to your body, treat yourself well, be kind to others, and don't deprive yourself of eating the things that you love.
Thank you.
So here is your final product of raspberry Greek yogurt mousse. Thank you for joining me today on Tasty Tuesday. Be sure to check in next week. We will be showing you how to make veggie sushi. Bye.